Welcome to Greetings of the Day, Part 2.
In this lesson, we will learn how to greet people in Arabic using more greetings like hello, welcome, and others. For example, peace be upon you is widely used in Muslim countries, and it is Assalamu alaikum. The reply to Assalamu alaikum is Wa alaikum assalam. Welcome in Arabic is Ahlan wa sahlan, and the answer to Ahlan wa sahlan is Ahlan wa sahlan bika if we are addressing a man, and Ahlan wa sahlan biki if we are addressing a woman. Hello in Arabic is marhaban, and the answer to marhaban is marhaban bika if we are addressing a man, and marhaban biki if we are addressing a woman. In this lesson, we looked at some of the most common ways to greet someone in Arabic. Repeat after me. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
Ahlan wa sahlan bika. Ahlan wa sahlan biki.
Marhaban.
Marhaban bika. Marhaban biki.